Hi, this is David from VocalReferences, and I'm going to show you in this video how to add two instances of VocalReferences on a page side by side. If you want to show or display testimonials from from two accounts on the same page. To show you this example, I'm using a demo Weebly page website, and I created a page called Testimonials. I'm just going to go there. And here you have where you can drag elements, and you'll click on the build and you'll grab embed code. Okay, and this is the way we're going to add our first VocalReferences account, and it's waiting now to click for you to add the HTML code. I'm now going to go to the VocalReferences site, and I've logged in on one account, and I'm going to go and grab the code for this account. I'm going to drag my mouse over this code. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to the Weebly site. I'm going to click on the HTML, edit. I'm going to edit the HTML, and then I'm going to paste. Make sure you get rid of all that other code that was there. And then I'm just going to click away from it. And here comes the first account. Okay? Now I want to add another account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another embed code on the right hand side here. It's going to wait for me for the HTML code. I'm going to go back to VocalReferences. I'm going to go and open up another account. I'm going to log in again. This time I'm going to log in here. Okay. I'm going to go to display layouts. Click on page displays. I'm going to grab another horizon display. This time I'm going to, okay, the layout, the button is not clicked. And I'm going to go and grab the code again. Okay. And I'm going to copy it. Go back to my Weebly site, click on the Set Custom HTML, edit, and paste. Now, before you click away, there's one other change that you have to make, and that is this ID needs to be unique on the page. Something technical. So all you have to do is make it unique. So I'm going to add a 1, and below I have to do the same, a 1. So now I have a unique name for this widget, and now I'm going to click away. Now you're going to see them too here. They're not sort of lined up very well, etc., but don't despair. What you should do is first of all refresh the page, refresh your browser. Okay, we'll reload the page. I'm going to go to back to the testimonials, and you'll see they line up one next to the other. And then what you'll do is you'll click publish, and we'll just take a look to see how it looks now. Go to the testimonials page, and there you go. You got the two accounts side by side. You can go in afterwards and make any changes you want to each account separately, and then just click save. And when next time you refresh your Weebly page, it will show the changes that you've made. Don't forget, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us at support@vocalreferences.com.